In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog page Mobirise. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple process for getting a blog page up and looking like your brand, using Mobirise and its built-in AI. First, log into Mobirise. This ensures your work is saved to your account and that you have access to all the features you need. If you're already inside the app, look for the option to sign in so your edits stay organized with your projects. Next, create a new page. This gives you a clean space dedicated to your blog. You're not replacing your main site, you're adding a separate page you can link to from your navigation later. When the new page is created, you'll see a blank canvas or starting layout depending on your settings. From here, you can use Create with Mobirise AI to speed things up. This is a powerful way to jumpstart your design without building every section from scratch. When prompted, enter a short description of the blog you want, such as tech blog, travel blog, food blog with recipes, or minimalist photography blog. Be specific about your style, audience, and tone if you can. The clearer your prompt, the closer the results will be to your vision. Mobirise AI will generate 4 different website versions based on your prompt. Think of these as curated starting points. Each version will include a layout, color approach, and sections that fit a blog, like hero banners, article blocks, and subscribe areas. You'll be taken to the builder once the designs are ready so you can look around and make choices. Inside the builder, review what the AI produced and select the design that feels most aligned with your brand. Don't worry if it isn't perfect yet, that's normal. You're choosing the best foundation to customize. Open the page and start personalizing it. Click into headlines and paragraphs to replace the placeholder copy with your own blog title, tagline, and introductory text. Swap out stock images with your photos or illustrations that reflect your topics. If your blog covers multiple categories, rename section headings so readers can quickly understand your content structure. Use the editor to adjust the layout. You can reorganize sections to put your most important content near the top, remove blocks you don't need, and fine-tune spacing for readability. Keep typography consistent and choose colors that match your brand. As you edit, think about clarity. Short, scannable paragraphs, descriptive titles, and clear call to action buttons will make your blog inviting and easy to navigate. That's it. Your blog page is now added and tailored to your style using Mobirise and its AI builder.